Every morning, the same pain. Climbing the stairs becomes unbearable. Getting up from the couch takes effort. Even a simple walk can become a challenge. Joint pain can turn the simplest movements into real struggles. Stiffness, inflammation, persistent discomfort, you're not alone. As we age, our joints lose their natural flexibility. But this issue can also affect younger people. Lack of activity, poor diet, and untreated injuries, the causes are many. The good news is that there are natural, simple, and effective solutions. No need for heavy medication or costly treatments. It starts with understanding how your joints work and giving them what they need to regenerate. Today, we'll explore why joints become painful and how to nourish, support, and relieve them for the long term. Our joints are marvels of natural engineering. They are protected by smooth, soft cartilage and a fluid called synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant. This duo ensures smooth, pain-free movement. But over time, cartilage wears down, becomes thinner and more fragile. Synovial fluid becomes scarce and less efficient. Bones begin to rub, and pain sets in. Some people experience this as early as their 40s. For others, it starts later. But in every case, it's possible to take action. Worsening factors like lack of physical activity, poor posture, or a diet low in nutrients can accelerate joint degeneration. But the human body has an incredible power, the power to repair itself. Every day, it regenerates cells and rebuilds tissues, including those of the joints, as long as it's given the right materials. And that begins with your plate. Some foods are true allies for your joints. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel, rich in omega-3s, are powerfully anti-inflammatory. They reduce swelling and protect cartilage. Flax seeds, walnuts, and high-quality vegetable oils complete the intake of healthy fats. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is known for easing chronic joint pain. Ginger also helps reduce inflammation and improves circulation. Bone broth, rich in collagen, nourishes and helps rebuild joint tissue. Natural gelatin, derived from animal products, plays a similar role. By adding these foods to your daily routine, you give your joints the essential elements they need for maintenance. But that's not all. Movement is just as important. Many people think that when you're in pain, you should stay still. That's not true. Movement stimulates the production of synovial fluid, improves blood flow, and maintains joint flexibility. Gentle exercises like daily walking, swimming, which reduces joint impact, yoga, stretching, and light strength training are excellent ways to maintain joint health. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Also consider muscular relaxation. Massage, deep breathing, or relaxation exercises can reduce tension that worsens joint pain. To go even further, there are natural remedies within your reach. Topical chili oil stimulates circulation and reduces pain. Epsom salt baths, rich in magnesium, relax muscles and ease inflammation. Green clay compresses draw out toxins and reduce swelling. Depending on the situation, a cold compress soothes inflammation, while a warm compress relaxes muscles. These combined solutions can transform your daily life. Imagine walking without pain. Climbing stairs without grimacing. Getting back to your favorite activities. It's possible, if you take action now. Take care of your diet. Move, even just a little. And use simple, natural, but powerful techniques. Joint pain is not a life sentence. With the right choices, you can regain flexibility, comfort, and freedom of movement. Subscribe to Health Story to receive weekly natural, effective, science-backed health tips.